Oh, greetings in the name of the Most High. You know it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, your favorite Rasta man. I'm here and the mission today is moving these two coconuts right here. I have my brother right here, Reggie, and he's here assisting me a little bit. But the whole five is this, I get a good shower rain, and them coconut they about 3 years or 2 years. I'm gonna move them because the man them gonna cut down my orchid tree. And the thing is this, you know, plant food not just for you, but for tomorrow's generation. And my elder, big up yourself, Edgar, him say, produce or perish. So we're looking in the future. Big up yourself. Give thanks to him. Yo, you have a pretty man by there, brother. But the two. Eh? Which me? Oh, come here, kitty. Look what we found, people. Yo, look at this, people. This beautiful kitty in the Rastaman garden. See, remember it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. And where you come from, kitty? Yeah, but like me I said, you don't want no kitty in your place. Damage your plant in your yard. Yeah, listen, people. Raccoons and cats, felines usually, their pee are damaging to your garden. So keep the cats out the garden. Yes, thank you for sticking with me. I just see the basic thing in removing this tree right here. You're basically going to have to dig around the tree to remove the tree. So remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, Rastafari soldier, planted a coconut tree, the Crocus Bag Farmer way, and this is how we do it. We're gonna, and oh, here we select a beautiful kitty with your mommy. Here's the kitty again, people. Him come back. But you know, you don't have work to do. So kitty, you're gonna have to go home, okay? Do your thing. Okay, people, so when removing the coconut tree, you have to dig around the roots, remove some of the dirt, because it's already grown, okay? So look how I do it. First you want to scratch away around the roots of the tree. Here are the old coconuts. As you see, it's well rooted. But you want to dig away the dirt from outside. Try to pick up some of the dirt with the roots.
Elbows, come here.
That's your cat? Yeah, you gotta get here. Yeah, that's my neighbor cat.
Elbows.
Pebbles. Some pebbles. Come on, pretty pebbles. Alright, this is my neighbor's cat, Pebbles. Okay? And they want to have him back. So say bye-bye to Pebbles. Bye-bye. Alright, family. So like you see, I'm digging around the tree because I'm trying to loosen up some of the dirt.
Never realize you can diss with people.
why my father tell me say never go easy. We never overstock. But you see, perseverance. Pull him out. Yeah. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer, you know, transplanting a coconut tree. Alright family, I just say, you know, I attempt to redecorate the place like this. So I'm going to transplant the coconut tree right here and hopefully it looks better. So remember to subscribe to the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, I'm teaching you how to transplant the coconut tree right here in South Florida. Yeah, as you see, I'm in Lauderdale. So subscribe. Leave your comment. It's a natural environment. I farm everywhere I go. In the morning, in the evening, in Jamaica, abroad. You know, some man a yard man. See, a beautiful kitty cat come back again. Hey, love I and I. Yes, big up your friends. Yeah, family and friends. I choose right here to put a coconut tree because I want to look outside and see a palm tree or a coconut tree, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to put one right here. You know, with the diameter or the consideration, it will grow big. So right here is a solution for me. It's a life flow, you know? And I'm not even satisfied with that. And this is just because it's already developed to that size. I gotta put it back in a comfortable hole. But normally a coconut, you just bury it halfway, you know? This now I gotta get it back in there. I like it could work. And I'm gonna have to probably peg it down. Alright, we call that planting, you know. If the bees come tonight or the rain, we won't mash it down. But it's gonna take a few months to grow roots. Yes, that's the truth. Yeah, planting the roots deep, you never fail. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer again. Remember, that's how you transplant a coconut tree. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. And if you plant the roots deep, the plants will never die. Keep the roots deep. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Real is real. Transplanting a coconut tree here in my side yard in South Florida. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Most High give I man the blessings to show you another planting lesson. Blessed. Remember, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. When you see the products in the store, go ahead and pick them up because it's natural. It's real, as you can feel. Blessed.
Emma.